Then Kama 2.0 is your one-stop solution, exhibiting unimaginable features like a normal spinner with 7 front panels and 3 back panel support types, along with 2 haptic click types. Easy to change, like addition of a ball increases its difficulty level. Assists in board games. A circular ruler along with a back panel, a perfect EDC tool. Haptic coin with all the needed accessories of performing different functions. A top spinner provides a glowy effect. Want to know more about it? It isn't intended to escape the monotony of cubicle life. Instead, it's designed for multifunctionality. This unique fidgeting small toy gives something to fiddle with to fulfill all your sensory needs, which an ordinary fidget might not. Once you get an all-in-one fidget spinner, you'd never want the basic one. Join the Kickstarter campaign now for Kama 2.0 to get your hands on the finest fidget spinner.